distance of a point from line. See, suppose a line L is given. Equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, and the point outside the line is px1 by 1. So we want to find the perpendicular distance of a line from the point outside it. It means that PM is the perpendicular distance. So for finding PM, perpendicular distance, it is called perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. Barabar, PM is equals to modulus of, write down A, B and C upon under root A square plus B square. So now with A, write down this point x1, with B, y1. So we have to put x1 and y1 in place of x and y in the given equation of line. So we will get the perpendicular distance of the point from the line. Okay. So our question number 4. Question number 4. Find the perpendicular distance of the point P1 minus 1. Point is P1 minus 1. Minus 1, 1. Point P minus 1, 1 to the line. Line is given 12 into
x plus 6.
X plus
6
is equals to
5 bracket में y minus 2. 5 are
5 bracket में y. Okay. So first we have to convert this equation into the standard form. Okay. So first convert this equation 12x plus 72 is equals to 5y minus 10. Take 5y and minus 10 to this side. 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10, 82 is equals to 0. So this is the point. So this is x1 and y1. And this is the equation. This is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So perpendicular distance PM is equals to into modulus upon under root a square plus b square. What is a and what is b? A is coefficient of x, 12. So 12 square. What is b? Coefficient of y, minus 5. So it is minus 5 square.
25.
Now in modulus, write down 12 into bracket minus 5 into bracket plus 82. Into bracket we have to put x1 and y1. This equation 12x minus 5y plus 82. Value of x and y will we have to take from here. Okay. So minus 1 and 1. So minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 upon under root 144 plus 25. So minus 17 plus 82. So it is 65. And this is under root 169. So 65 upon 16 upon 13. 13 5s are. So perpendicular distance is 5. Done? Okay. Now question number 5. See, your question number 5 is same in the exercise. Exercise 10. It is, I think, question number 3. Okay, here it is x-axis, there it is y-axis. In question 3, exercise 10. Okay? No, exercise, miscellaneous exercise. See what we are given. We have to find the point on x-axis whose distance from the line is 4 units. See, we are given the distance. Distance we are given 4 units. We have to find the point on x-axis. See, if we have to find the point on x-axis, then our coordinates will be x and 0. If the point is on y-axis, our coordinates will be 0 and y. Okay? Now, our line is x by 3
plus
y by 4 is equals to 1. Okay? See, here distance was not given. Point was given.
distance.
and line was given. We have to find the distance. We will follow same method. Okay. Point is suppose point P at 0. Point P at 0 on x-axis. What I have told? मैंने क्या कहा कि अगर पॉइंट x एक्सिस पे है तो आपको लेना है x0. अगर पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे है, it is in exercise 10. The point is on y axis. You have to take 0y. You have to suppose the point is 0y. Okay. Point x0 on x axis at a distance 4 from line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equals to 1. Okay. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equals to 1. Now we have to convert first this equation into that form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So take LCM 4 and 3. So 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. 4 multiplied with x, 3 multiplied with y, and 4 and 3 both will multiply with 1. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. This is the line. So perpendicular distance, formula क्या है distance की? अभी जो हमने लिखा, distance is equals to 4 into this one x, बराबर, plus 3 into y minus 12 upon under root a square plus b square. Got it? Again, formula same है, वही है जो पहले किया. Here x1 is x and y1 is 0. Okay? So distance is given 4. 4 is equals to 4x minus 12 because 3 into 0 is 0. So here it is 25. So 4 is equals to 4x minus 12 upon 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 is equals to 4x minus 12 modulus. If it is in modulus, then we have two option, not choice. 20 is equals to 4x minus 12 and minus 20 is equals to 4x minus 12. Because एक बार प्लस होगा, एक बार माइनस होगा, मॉड्यूलस में से बाहर आएगा, बराबर? Okay? So minus 12 here. 20 plus 12 is equals to 4x and minus 20 plus 12 is equals to 4x. So here it is 32 is equals to 4x. 32 by 4 is equals to x. Therefore, what is the value of x? X is 8. Here it is minus 8 is equals to 4x. Minus 8 by 4 is equals to x. 4 2s are. So our points are 8 0 and minus 4 0. दो बाजू पे हो सकता है. हमने तो ये साइड पे लिया, ये साइड पे भी हो सकता है. minus 2 0. So नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है. Done? Right now.